Hello, this is Shazia Kamal, and in this video, we will learn how we can use Google Fonts in our website. So for the first thing, we need to open the fonts.google.com and we need to choose any font or any font we like. From here, we can choose that font. Any font you like, you can apply. For example, I'm going with the Layla, this font. So first of all, we need to click on the plus sign. And after the plus sign, you can see a dialog box came here. Click on it. Now you will see a few things, like you will have the option to customize it. Here in the customize option, you can choose the font weight or some different languages, supported languages, but we do not need to do that. We are going here to the embed option. You can choose two options, the import one or the standard one. With the standard one, you simply need to copy this link hyperreference fonts.googleapis.com and some cheats here you need to apply. Just copy that, and I'm going to the code, and here I need to apply it inside the head. Here, save it. Now, I just need to apply this font, the font family Layla. So I'm going there back, and I need to copy this. You can see that here it is written that is specified in CSS. So I'm copying this font family Layla, and I'm going there back, and I need to open the style tag like this one, and inside that I'm asking for the P tag, that P tag which I just made, and inside the P I'm just applying the Layla. Now save it. Now I'm going back to the browser, and here I'm refreshing the page. Now you can see that the font style is now updated.